Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my kitchen. We are doing milkshakes. Why? Because it's springtime. It's going to get hot. You want something refreshing to give the kids. And then guess what? Spring break's coming. You want to be able to, make the kids something good and delicious without spending a lot of money. So we're making golden Oreo. We're making Oreo, and we're making strawberry milkshakes. And I had these cute little glasses I got from Amazon. They was Amazon. And you're just gonna need a couple of things. Some caramel sauce. I make my own. You could get some from your store. You're gonna need some shells, some chocolate stuff, some fresh strawberries, some icing, any kind. I just grabbed any one. You're going to need some whole milk, some crushed Oreos, both Oreos crushed. And let's get started. Be right back. Oh, ice cream. Let's not forget ice cream. Any brand would do. We'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go for the strawberry first. You need a good blender. I have one here that I've been using on my smoothies. I really love it. And we're going to go with the vanilla ice cream. So let me just sit this right here. How many scoops is up to you? I like a thick milkshake. I don't like it all. Look, I should have a thing. I got some right here. I don't like it all thin and watered down. So we're gonna go with the easy one. And I'm gonna say about 4 scoops. Yes, I want 4 scoops. When they came up with these old half of things, what happened to the old-fashioned big old scoop thing? I can know for sure I had 4 scoops. So that's going to be enough for me right there. Okay? So they're like that. I had some strawberries. I got one. I left the little, what's this stuff called? The leaves and stuff on for decorations. I got the others that I just washed off, picked off the leaves, and going to throw right on up in here. How many is up to you? I think I'm going to do like 6. Set this to the side. Not a lot of milk. A half a cup of milk. You just need to get that blender moving. That's it. Again, I like a thick milkshake. On my milkshake, let's turn it on. It say milkshake. That's what I'm going to press. Go for it, boo-boo. Just want to make sure it get those strawberries pulsed. And I'm just going to stop it. It's like it gives it a pulse along with the shake. And so you know what? Look at that. That's too runny. I don't like a runny milkshake. I really don't. Yes, this is why I'm keeping it real. That's too runny. I'm going to do, if I used a half a cup of milk, I'm going to use 2 more scoops of ice creams because I want it thick. I'm going to put the adjustment instructions below because, again, I like it thick. So use less milk, probably like 1/3 or something like that. But we'll adjust it. It's like it's going in a pulse. There it is. And let's see. There you go. See how thick it is? That's thick for me. That's how I like it. I like it thick like that. So, I'm going to take my strawberry glass. See? There you go. With the thickness. Oh my goodness. That's my strawberry milkshake. I'm going to put this in the freezer. Guess what? Because we're not going to garnish it. We're going to make each one as they go. I'll be back. Okay, guys, we're back. That milkshake in the freezer is waiting, in the freezer waiting for decorations. Right here, I place a couple of my Oreo cookies, okay? And I'm just going to pulse them real quick so that we could get them really going the way I want them. I'm just gonna give them a quick pause. Get them in there. I'm not playing with it. Okay, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go in with about, again, 3 to 4 scoops. It's up to you because it's on how thick you want your ice cream. I meant your ice cream. How thick you want your milkshake. And trust and believe, just like my household, everybody waiting around for a milkshake, they're gonna be the same way in your house. They're gonna be waiting around for that milkshake. I'm gonna say about 4 scoops. Remember, everything's gonna be in the description below. And I lowered the dose of the milk just about 1/4. You don't want it too milky. You just want it to be nice and thick. And you know, I'm gonna hit milkshake. And it does like a pulse itself. I love it. See the thickness? That's how thick and creamy I want it. And it has the cookies already up in there. And let me see. Let's show you how thick I want it. That's how thick I want it. You see that? That's a milkshake. The thickness, I love it. But, ooh, and it smells good. You can smell the Oreos. But before we pour that in our glass, let me show you what I'm about to do. Let's move the chocolate aside. And you don't have to have these glasses. You get the mason glass from the dollar store. I just really wanted this. I'm going to take some of my homemade caramel sauce. And I want to drizzle. And I'm just going to drizzle it all around my glass. See that? I'm going to do it more than once. I just want to drizzle. I'm not going to scrape the glass down or anything. Look at that. Then I'm just going to layer some. I want some at the bottom. The bottom. And it's still kind of warm. I also had the ingredients on this, guys. On how to make this. Yes. See, look at that. This is a design of your glass. And I'm going to take some of these cookies that I pre-crunched up. I'm just going to put some at the bottom. So you can use a spoon or anything you want. Just a couple. Not a lot. Then, the back of this spatula. I'm going to make a little bit of mess. Because guess what? I'm going to stick some cookies around the side of my glass. If it's not fun, come on now. It's a milkshake. Let's make it fun. Make it like a DIY for the kids, right? And it's golden Oreo. And a wet paper towel will clean up the excess. Then you want to take some of the same Oreos that you squished up. You just want to stick them around the edges of that glass. That icing. It's your decoration. Stick around the edge of the glass. It's gonna look so pretty. My son's like, Mom, what you doing? And we're gonna top this with like what? Whipped cream. And it's gonna be so delicious. And your kids gonna look at this. They're gonna think you went to an ice cream parlor when you finish this. You gonna think you went to an ice cream parlor when you finish this. And look how it's sticking. Ooh, that one fell off. It's going in the freezer real quick. Ah, you don't want to fall off. Oh, live action. They want to fall off on me. And then You take your milkshake. Look at that. They're falling off, but I'm going to fix that. Put this in the freezer. Put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes so it can get stuck on there, guys. Then do your garnishment and serve. And we be right back with our next milkshake. Last and final one, everybody's favorite, Oreo. Yay! I got the cookies in here. Same procedure. Let's pause these babies. Oh, gotta turn it on first. That's all. Don't want to over pause. Go on in with my ice cream. Ice cream been sitting, so it's getting soft on me, guys. Family waiting. Again, if it's too thick for you, just add more milk. If it's too thin, add less milk. Add more ice cream. Make it yours the way you and your family like it. Ooh, go ahead. Give me one of those. A little bit of milk, 1/4. Just to get it moving up in there. Go on top it. And hit what? Oh, my milkshake ring. Oh, the boys to the yard. And they're like, something. I don't see, I'm old. I don't know all that music. Look at that. It's almost summertime, guys. We got to treat our babies to some good stuff. Treat yourself to some good stuff. All right, let's see. I like that thickness. That's how I like it. So, the chocolate syrup in the glass. And we just going to, pull and stir. Pull and stir. And just watch it roll down. Watch it roll down. Think I missed a spot. Then I'm going to add it. Oh, that chocolate smells good. Add in what? Some Oreos. So at the end, you may need a spoon. Just add in a little bit. Y'all hear my grandbaby crying. It's all good. Then add in your, ooh, my water dripping from my thing. Look at that. That is wonderful. Not going to fill it up because we're going to top it. Now, this is Oreos and creams, right? This is what the vanilla is for. Vanilla frosting. Again, and I should have done it before I added my Oreo, is to paste this around the sides. And guess what? We're going to stick some Oreo cookies to the side. Because Oreos and cream, right? And this is all about garnishment, guys. It's like if you was giving like a Sunday party or a milkshake party for one of your kids, and you wanted their party to be all like, oh, they had some pretty milkshakes there. Did they make them? Nah. Did they order them from somewhere? Nah. She made those. She made those. And we're going to do the same thing. See, look. Big, little. We're going to finish this up. Place in the refrigerator along with the other ones because I want them to really stick. So we're going to place in the refrigerator like for 10-15 minutes. Come back and we're going to finish the decoration on these boo-boo. And we'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I have here a strawberry shake, a golden Oreo, and then also I have a chocolate. At this point, guys, I forgot to turn the mic on. So I'm about to do some whipped cream. This is store-bought whipped cream. I didn't make this myself. I just placed it in a pastry bag and with a nice tip. And I'm going to go in with my strawberry. Look at this. Oh, God, this whipped cream looks so good. You cannot go wrong doing this at home, guys. Look how I'm doing this. This is so delicious. I love it. Look at this. Okay, so now we're going to put that strawberry on top. Look at that strawberry, make it look so nice and pretty. I like that. You guys could do the same at home. Now we're going to garnish it with some Oreo cookies. Remember the crushed up cookies? This is what I'm doing. I'm garnishing as many Oreos as you like. This is your kitchen. This is your milkshake. You know, do what you like. And let's go with that chocolate syrup. Drizzle a little syrup on top. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Wonderful. Okay, now here go the golden Oreos. Again, as many as you like. Put a lot on there. Your kids will love this. Everybody is standing around waiting to get one. I can't wait to give it to them. Okay, so we're going to put on some caramel sauce. I make my own. You don't have to. You know, you get your caramel sauce from the store, guys. I'm just stirring it up to loosen it up. Look at that drizzle, that caramel drizzle. I love it. Your kitchen, your milkshake. And so at this point, I will say like, share, subscribe, but I'm not going to. Guys, in the description below, hit the link for the FedEx Small Business Contest. Go vote for your girl. It's a FedEx Small Business Grant Contest. I found the last minute. I enter it. Vote for me. SoulfulT, yeah, $50,000. You know, guys, grand prize. I probably could win. Hopefully. And yeah, so everything else to this video is going to be in the description below. Remember, hit that link, guys. Vote for me. I appreciate it so much. As usual, thank you for coming in and tuning into my videos. Guys, just remember, like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to be notified. Till next video. Thanks for watching. I'm out.